Hi everyone, I'm Sandy and welcome to another Chinita cooking session. Today I'm going to talk about what I consider to be the most popular cheese in Mexico, and it is the queso Oaxaca. Queso Oaxaca is a stringy mozzarella type cheese. It's soft, it has a very mild flavor. It's usually sold in huge balls. I asked for 1/4 of a kilo. So what happens with this cheese is you start to pull it apart. Right? You can see the parts of the cheese. What they do is they get the cheese and start to wrap it around in a ball-like form, and you start to pull away all of the parts of the cheese, right? And the most special part of this cheese is that it's stringy. This cheese, Mexicans love it on quesadillas, on tortas, in tacos, en alambres, everything. We love it on everything. This cheese is called Oaxaca cheese because it was produced for the first time in the state of Oaxaca, and actually you can get the best Oaxaca cheese there at the source. The cheese that I purchased near my home is actually produced on a farm in the state of Hidalgo. These types of cheeses are considered quesos de rancho. So if you have the opportunity to purchase and taste quesos de rancho in Mexico, I really recommend it. The flavor is going to be completely different. You know, these cheeses are artisanally made, and in particular, the queso Oaxaca has a more buttery flavor, and it also has a touch of like an acidic flavor, which you do not get from supermarket cheeses. So what I want to do in this episode is show you guys, I'm gonna make some quesadillas, which is just a regular, very simple thing to do. You grab tortillas and you're gonna add your Oaxaca cheese, but I'm gonna accompany it with a tomato chipotle salsa, which I'm gonna show you guys how to make. For our tomato chipotle salsa, we're gonna need some onion, some ripe tomatoes, a tiny can of chiles chipotles, and garlic. Oh, and before I get started, let me show you how I like to snack on Oaxaca cheese. I get plantain chips, and I get a little bit of Oaxaca cheese, almost like cheese and crackers. It's like a plantain sandwich with Oaxaca cheese. So in our blender, I've got the tomatoes, the garlic, and I'm gonna add the chile chipotle. Add a splash of water and blend. In a saucepan, you're gonna add some vegetable oil and your diced onion. Once your onion turns a golden brown, add the tomato mixture. Now don't forget to season with salt and pepper. And what we want to achieve is a jam-like consistency. Now I have a special tip for this salsa. It's gonna be a little acidic. And to balance the acidity from the chilies and the tomatoes, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of sugar. So for our quesadillas, we're gonna place our tortillas in the saucepan. Let them warm up. As you can see right now, they're quite stiff. If you were to add cheese to these and fold it over, it would break. Be generous with your cheese. Basically just fold over your tortilla. Everyone, our quesadillas are done. So I'm gonna show you this stringy cheese. It's really hot. Oof, look at that. Look at that, guys. How wonderful. Melty, stringy cheese. So this is a chipotle tomato salsa. how beautiful that looks, and it smells delicious. This is really simple. I know it's just tortilla and cheese, but this salsa makes this quesadilla a little more special. Usually what I do with my quesadillas, I add avocado, tomato, onion, and salsa. If I have roasted peppers, I also add those, and I really make it far more of like a vegetarian quesadilla. But this on its own, it's delicious, and the crunch, delicious. So what I did with this salsa was I actually added 2 teaspoons of sugar because I wanted it to be a little more on the sweet side. I wanted it to be smoky, sweet, have that classic chipotle flavor, and I achieved that just with another teaspoon of sugar. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, Chinita out. So I finished editing this video and I went to a tianguis known as street markets, and guess what I found, guys? Oaxaca botanero cheese. What makes this so special is obviously all of the chili pieces. As you start to pull apart your cheese, look at that. The fresh chili pieces with the epazote, it's Mexico in your mouth. I had to share this cheese with you guys. When I saw it and I tasted it at the market, I thought, yes, I have to include it in the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing another version of queso Oaxaca botanero. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.